How old is this man? Strong posture is why he looks younger than his 80 years. When you stand taller, you actually do live longer. And daily posture exercise is an anti-aging strategy to help people move, feel, and be well. If you sit for 18 hours a day with your body folded, over time your body and your posture will fold and you'll stand and move far older, far before your time. Your posture affects the mechanics of how you breathe, and healthy breathing mechanics and a strong core, that the core muscles, are essential not just for a stable spine, but for good health. And your postural alignment is how you're balancing the 4 posture zones of your body. How your lower extremity is balancing underneath and supporting your pelvis, and how your pelvis is balancing underneath your torso, and how your torso is supporting your head. What is strong posture? Strong posture is effectively balancing those 4 posture zones, that's the mass of the body, and then aligning them in a way to avoid excessive mechanical stress, avoiding injury, as well as premature aging, and then being able to move with control and coordinated function to balance and avoid pain for optimal performance.